So in this video, I'm gonna go over these Garvee kind of jack ramps. I don't know what I would call them. Hydraulic ramps. Actually, here's the manual right here, but it's pretty simple to work, everybody. Let me just show you really what they are. They've got a hydraulic jack built into the ramp. And the way these work, you just stick that in there. Check that out. That jacks up. Now, I'm not gonna jack it up all the way. To loosen it, you turn that right there. Lowers it back down. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get my little car here. I'm gonna drive it up on the ramps, and then I'm gonna show y'all jacking it up and how much higher I can get that car just by using these ramps. So let me show you these things in action. Now that I have the car where I need it, I'm gonna put the ramps right by each wheel. Let's show you how these things work. Okay, we are on them. I locked the emergency brake. Let's check this out. We are all set. Now watch this. You're gonna turn this dial. Look how much higher I'm getting that. Now I don't need to go super high with it. Let's go about right there. See these holes right here? Put these pins right here in these holes. Maybe go up one more. Now we know it's not gonna fall as long as those pins are in there. So we are all set to work on it. Is that not amazing how high I got this? Now look how much room I have under here for working on this car. Y'all see that? I'm all up under here. I want to work on this transmission. I want to change the oil. I want to get a little higher. Let's do the other side. Turn your dial right there. And we are set. Actually, those pins go all the way through. I'm not going to worry with that right now. See how it does? You can just kind of wiggle it and it will go all the way through, by the way, but I'm not, just for the purpose of this video, I'll just leave it like that. I'm impressed. Now, to get up under this thing, oh, that's so much better to work on this thing. If I had to change out any parts on here, I'm almost sitting under the engine. Yeah, this is one of the handiest things I've had in a while when it comes to working on cars, because I don't know how many times I've tried to get a jack up under it and just barely get it. This is a jack and a ramp in one. How can you beat that? That is so perfect. So when you want to lower this thing back down, take both your pins out right here, put a little twist on this. Check it out. All the way down. That one's all the way down. Now see, we're still up on this side. Make sure you take your pins out right here. When I want to lower this one down, actually let's go up even higher. So you want to go up even higher on that? We can go up even higher. I don't have the back wheels, but I do have the emergency brake on. So that's all maxed out to lower it back down. Very easy. Just slowly turn that little dial. Don't have to turn it super fast. We are all the way back down. See? And tighten that up. Yeah, everybody, I don't see any issues with these things at all. I think this is a great option for anyone that's like me, like a backyard mechanic where they work on their vehicles. They need to lift it up to get in there to work on it, maybe the exhaust or the transmission or change the oil or do anything underneath. This is what I recommend. The Garvee hydraulic ramp set. See you on the next video.